The Centers for Disease Control is expected to extend the eviction moratorium through July 2021, a 1-month extension. The agency says it wants to continue to protect residential tenants from eviction based on non-payment of rent due to the COVID pandemic that is continuing. The Biden administration also says there are billions of dollars in federal pandemic housing aid that has yet to be distributed. And one of the reasons for the extension is to allow more time to get that federal aid into the hands of landlords and tenants before there is the risk of somebody losing their home. This will be the 4th time the eviction moratorium is extended. It was originally implemented by the Centers for Disease Control back in September of 2020, set to expire at the end of the calendar year 2020. But it was COVID relief legislation in December that then extended the moratorium through January. 2 actions by the Biden administration extended the eviction moratorium first through March and then through June. And the agency action that is expected by the CDC at the end of June 2021 would extend it once again for 1 more month through July 2021. The extension is just one part of the plan the White House says that they expect to put into place in the weeks ahead. Other initiatives would be a White House summit on housing affordability and evictions, better coordination with local officials and legal aid organizations to minimize evictions after July 31st, and new guidance from the Treasury Department. This would help better distribute some of that federal aid we talked about. The CARES Act and the American Rescue Plan both put money aside for rental assistance for landlords and tenants, and tens of billions of dollars still remain that need to be distributed. To invoke the moratorium, if you want to prevent your own residential eviction, you can provide a signed copy of a CDC Declaration Form or something similar to your landlord. And in the description below, we link to an example of that CDC Declaration Form. Each adult listed on the lease should sign their own form and, of course, keep a copy for your own records. Keep in mind, once these eviction moratoriums lapse, that rent is still due. This isn't a forgiveness of rent. It's just keeping people in their homes due to non-payment of rent just a little longer. And landlords can charge penalties or interest on past due rent. Rental assistance, however, may be available for you. And in the description below, along with that link to that CDC declaration form, we also give some links of how to find some rental assistance closer to you.